Hi everyone, welcome to Taxi Baby's YouTube channel. Deborah here. I'm a mom of two and I work at Taxi Baby. Today we will be unboxing the mifold Spot. So the mifold Spot is slightly more posh, more cushiony compared to the mifold and the mifold 1. So that's the difference. The function is exactly the same. So let's be very organized in how we're going to do this. I'm going to try. Let's do the outside of the box first. So on the outside of the box, it says premium comfort. It also says for 4+ years old, 15 to 36 kg, and European certified. So that's awesome. And on the back of the box, it says, let's see, it's luxurious in the finest tradition of the luxury motor industry. Mifold Spots incorporate high-end performance materials and artisan craftsmanship, ensuring the highest level of comfort. So I'm not sure if you're aware, the mifold is actually made with aircraft standard materials. So it's really sturdy. The metal used is really sturdy. That's why it's an awesome light booster seat. It has won the European Product Design Award, the NASA Tech Briefs contest winner, wow, the Innovation Award for, what's this, JPMA, oh, awesome, and also the Eco Excellent Award. At the bottom of the box, there's this QR code where you can scan and you can actually see the videos. And there's also an email for support. So there's support@mifold.com if you ever need to ask them any questions. Or you can always ask us at Taxi Baby. All right, let's open up. Okay, looking into the box, we have a letter from mifold. It's a really nice note from the mifold team. That's really nice. And we have the mifold Spot bag. It feels really sturdy. It feels like it's a waterproof material, so that's always good when you are putting this in bags with your kids' stuff, right? It's really nicely printed. The color is really awesome. I think it's a drawstring bag. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, awesome. And at the end of it, it has a button that says the mifold logo. That's pretty cool. Look, of course, it comes with this tube. And now let's go on to the actual mifold. Wow. So offhand, my first impression is that this is definitely very cushiony. Because just looking at it, I can tell there's so much more cushion. I don't know if it's heavier than the other mifolds, but it feels solid. It feels really solid. So let's look at the clip. So instead of the normal red clip, it has a clip with this nice, cool red insert. It clicks very easily. That's good. So the webbing is also really tough. It does not feel flimsy at all. The webbing, it actually feels very much like your seatbelt. Very sturdy, and you can see that it has been woven over many times. So that's cool. Oh, this is cool. So the mifold Spot comes with a clip. So what does this clip do is it actually bundles up the mifold Spot so it keeps really nicely. So it tidies the straps up. I'll show you how that works later. In the box, there is actually the manual. I'm going to take it out. So this manual, there's a slot for it for the mifold. So this booklet tells you how to install your seat, how to position it, how to maintain it, and where the lap belt should be. So this is something that we'll always recommend to keep with your mifold at all times. So in any case, if you need to refer to it, you always have it. So if you look at this slot, this goes into the slot. Yeah, fits very nicely. Okay, opening the mifold. Yeah, wow. The leather feels nice. It's soft. The hands extend as well. Yeah, very, very solid. They click into place where you need it to be. Yeah. Very, very sturdy. Yeah, the fold is easy to use. Yeah. The hands are, this is easy to adjust. Oh, and, oh wow, that's interesting. There is the European certification here, and I think this blank is for you to put your child's name. Pretty good. So how this rolls up is you roll it this way. Yep. So this small clip will clip onto the rest of the strap, so it keeps really, really nicely. And let's put it in the bag they gave us. Okay, I'm going to put the mifold spot into the bag. Wow, it fits perfectly. Wow. It's very, very sturdy. I really like it. It feels very sporty. I think if you gave this to a 10-year-old, I think they'll like it too. That's about it for this unboxing video. If you have any questions, you can always drop us a WhatsApp message. You can drop us a text. You can give us a call. You can drop us a Facebook message. You can leave a comment on the YouTube channel. And I know the following question to this is, how do we use the mifold? We will link the video on how to use mifold in the description as well, and the details about the product is also will be linked in the description. So you guys have a good day. Thanks for spending some time watching my video, and I hope it's helpful to you. Cheers!